Good day, grade 4s, and welcome to another math lesson. Today's lesson will be 14.2, and this will be found in your booklets and page number 739. The lesson will be today will be number rules. Today, after this lesson, you can use a rule to extend a number pattern, identify features of a number pattern, and use the number pattern to solve a problem. So what is a number pattern? You get different kinds of patterns like this one: circle, square, circle, square, circle, square, circle, and I know the next one will be a square. Or this one, the number pattern, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I know it carries on to 7, 8, 9, 10, and so forth. You get different types of number patterns like these ones. These are shapes and numbers. Let's take a look at this number pattern. 3, 15, 21, 12, 6, 9, and 18. This is not a number pattern. Why? Because the numbers are random numbers. They do not make sense in a sense that if we have a pattern 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, it doesn't make sense. This is 3, 15, 21, 12, 6, 9, and 18. But if we rearrange these numbers, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and 21. This now becomes a pattern with the multiples of 3. The number rule. Let's turn to page number 739. There are 6 juice boxes in one pack, 12 in 2 packs, and 18 in 3 packs. How many juice boxes are there in 4 packs, in 5 packs, and in 6 packs? Use a rule to complete the table. Describe features of each pattern and then find how many juice boxes are in 10 packs and 100 packs. So if I look at the number sequence, 4 times 6 will be, because there are 6 in each box, that will be 24. 5 times 6 is 30, and 6 times 36 is, or 6 times 6 is 36. So the numbers of juice boxes are multiples of 6. All numbers of juice boxes are even. So in 10 packs, we must say 10 multiplied 6 is 60 juice boxes. And in 100 packs, it must be 100 times 6 is 600 juice boxes. What is a pattern? Page number 740. There are 3 leaflets on 1 clover leaf. There are 6 leaflets on 2 clover leaves. There are 9 leaflets on 3 clover leaves. How many leaves are on 4 clover leaves? And how many will be there on 12 leaflets? So I can see that these are multiples of 3. A clover leaflet is 3 leaflets. You can use the table to create the content and identify the features. So how many leaflets are on 4 clover leaflets? So 1 will be 3, 2 will be 6, 3 multiply 3 is 9, and 4 multiply 3 is 12. So there are 12 leaflets on 4 clover leaves. The number of leaflets is a multiple of the number of clover leaves. How many clover leaves are on 12? So 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. That is because we have multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, and 12. Now, each leaf has 3, but we want to know how many leaflets are there. So the number will be 4. So let's look at your guided practice. The rule of table is multiple by 4. What number does not exist? So 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 4 is not 15. That is 16. So number 15 does not exist. Do you know how? Complete the table, describe a feature of each pattern. So this is a total number of wheels. So 8 wheels, 12 wheels, 16 wheels, and 20 wheels. The number of cars. So for each number of cars is 2 number of cars is 8 wheels. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. Now what times 4 will give me 20? That's correct. 5 times 4 will give me 20. The number of cars is a factor of the total number of wheels for each number pair. So I know that 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 4 is 12, 4 times 4 is 16, 5 times 4 is 20. So let's look at the independent practice found on page 741. Number 3. The rule here is multiply by 8. So I know I have to multiply by 8. The number of spiders. So we're looking at spiders. Okay. So there's 1 spider, 2 spider, 3, 4, 5 spiders. But the number of legs. I know for a fact that 1 spider has 8 legs. So 2 spiders will have 16 legs. 3 spiders, 24. 4 spiders, 32. And 5 will have 40. Why? Because 1 times 8 is 8. 2 times 8 is 16. 3 times 8, 24. 4 times 8 is 32. And 5 times 8 is 40. So the rule here will be the number of legs is a multiple of 8. Divide by the number 4. Divide by 5. The number of fingers is 5. 10, 15, 20. I know that I have 5 fingers on my hand. So 1 hand is 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 20 divided by 5 is 4. So the number of fingers are multiples of 5. Number 5. We know the rule here is multiples of 16. So the number of books is 1, 2, 3, 4. So I know I have 1 book is 16 ounces. 2 books are 32 ounces. So these are multiples of 16. So all we can do is add the number 16 to the answer. 16 plus 16 is 32. 32 plus 16 is 48. So I know my third number must be 48. So 48 plus 16 is 64. Quite easy, right? So the number of books is a factor of the weight of the books of each pair. The rule here is to divide by 2. The number of shoes is 12. 12 divided by 2 because I have 2 pairs of shoes, or 1 pair of shoes. A pair is 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 18 divided by 2 is 9. So the number of pairs of shoes alternate, even, and odd. So 6 is an even number. 7 is an odd number. 8 is an even number. 9 is an odd number. So the number of pairs of shoes alternate between even and odd numbers. This concludes our lesson for today. Thank you so much for joining us, and I hope to see you again soon.